Jugnu.
Jugnu.
Glow worms are glowing here. It is not really many, but you see many. It is because of this structure. Bipin has many. Don't think Bipin is less educated or less philosopher than us. He knows one hint is enough to make him understand. See, how many innumerable, there is no end to it. देखा ये विपिन का करामत